In round 3, we are going to increase every other stitch. So it's going to be 2 stitches into the first stitch and then a regular stitch into the next stitch. And we're going to repeat that all the way around. I'm also going to keep using my stitch marker to mark the first stitch of my round so that I know when round 4 is supposed to begin. Now the secret to keeping a flat circle in crochet is that you add stitches to every single round and you want them evenly spaced in the circle. So in my case, I started with 8 stitches, so I'm going to increase or add 8 stitches to every single round. And in order to keep them evenly spaced, I am going to have an increasing amount of regular stitches in between. For example, in round 3, I'm going to have an increase, which is my 2 stitches, and then 1 stitch in the next, and then 2, 1, 2, 1. In round 4, I'm going to have an increase, my 2, and then I'm going to have 1 into the next 2. So it's going to be 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, all the way around. In round 5, it's going to be my increase, and then 1 in 3. So it'll be 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. And you can keep doing that until you get to about 10. Once you get to 10, it'll start to look a little wobbly. But to be honest, you shouldn't have to go up more than 10 unless you're using a really tiny yarn. But the number of stitches you start with also impacts the size or the flatness of your circle. But I don't think I have enough time in this video to really go into depth about it, and I don't want to cut it too short because it does matter. But that is essentially the formula for keeping a flat circle, is that you add stitches to every single round and you keep them evenly spaced by adding, having that sequence that I did. I don't know how else to explain it. But if you like these kind of close-up stitch tutorials, be sure to like and follow. I post them as much as I can. And if you have any questions about this stitch or this project or hats in general, you can leave them in the comments and I will try to get to them as fast as I can. I will see you in part 4.